Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you once again a simple makeup tutorial, and I'm thinking of doing like a Sunday brunch makeup, especially for summer where you don't have to apply a lot of foundation because ultimately it gonna break out as you start sweating. And it did happen to me 2 weeks before when I was at my friend's baby shower, and it was too hot that day, and suddenly I started sweating around my nose and around my smile lines, and my foundation started breaking. So then I realized you have to always keep some refresher with you, something like this priming water from Smashbox, or so I would suggest always carry some refresher or rose water or a setting spray with you. So it's gonna help you reduce down the temperature of your skin, and it will prevent you from sweating. So I'm gonna start with priming my skin, and I'm using this photo finish priming water from Smashbox. And then I'm gonna apply this professional primer from Benefit, if you can see. Yeah, so just apply a little bit, not too much. So today I'm gonna use this foundation from Giorgio Armani, and I'm gonna mix it with this Fenty Beauty foundation. This shade is one shade lighter to my actual skin, so I'm just gonna mix it with this Armani foundation. And why I chose these two foundations, because they are very liquidy, so they're gonna give you dewy and light finish, which will look good in summer days. So I'm gonna take a damp beauty blender, mixing this foundation and tapping on my skin. So now I'm using this Urban Decay concealer. This is in the shade medium neutral. Just gonna use a damp beauty blender again. So I'm gonna take this concealer, which is almost near to my skin color, to apply around my mouth to cover that dark pigmentation around my mouth. And also I'm gonna take this iconic London cream stick to contour. Alright, so I'm gonna start blending with my concealer first. And I'm using the same beauty blender. Now I'm taking this brush to blend out those contour lines. have straight nose and nice cheekbones. This is just an optional step I do. So I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder in darker shade and lighter shade, and I always mix them. And I'm gonna lightly apply the powder all over my face. So I'm gonna take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Granite, and just gonna fill in my eyebrows. Almost done. I'm gonna take this ABH Cosmetics bronzer. This is in the shade Saddle, and I'm gonna use it as a contour powder because it has grayish undertone. Contour powder has grayish undertone, and bronzer is generally warm, like warm yellowish. And I'm gonna use this blush from The Balm, and this is in the shade Lace. It looks really intimidating, but trust me, it's not, and you can always blend in product. So just take the same brush you used for bronzing. And so I'm gonna apply this liquid lipstick from Kat Von D, and this is in the shade A Go Go. Funny name. For highlighter today, I'm gonna use this shade from ABH Cosmetics Glow Kit, and I'm gonna take ABH Cosmetics brush. So this shade is called Moonstone. So gonna set everything using this Urban Decay setting spray, all-nighter setting spray. So in summer, don't worry, it's gonna dry down and it's gonna give you that dewy, summery look. So I hope you guys really learned something from this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And thank you so much once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.